The first step to successful Asset Security Management Center deployment is the installation of ESMC server. There are 3 different ways of installing the ESMC server to choose from. The most convenient method is using the all-in-one installation wizard. Alternatively, you can use individual installation files for a component installation on Windows and Linux platforms. Deployment of the ESMC virtual appliance is the third option. The ESMC virtual appliance is available for users who want to run Asset Security Management Center in a virtualized environment. Also, the ESMC virtual appliance simplifies deployment of Asset Security Management Center and is faster than using the all-in-one installer or component installation packages. Before the actual installation takes place, a few system requirements must be met. Web console requires Java runtime environment or other Open JDK solution installed. MS SQL database requires .NET Framework version 3.5 and RD sensor needs WinPCAP software utility. Another thing is that source files for the installation must be saved on local machine where the ESMC installation takes place. New all-in-one installation wizard allows not only to install individual ESMC components, but also to upgrade and uninstall components already installed. The easiest way of installation is to use the all-in-one installation wizard. It allows you to select and install all the components one by one and set up the configuration for correct installation. A built-in process also checks system requirements and database server connection parameters. The wizard installs all the components selected during installation on the same machine. If MS SQL Server Express is also being installed, the connection parameters are set automatically. If the installation of database is skipped, connection to existing database must be set in the next step. During installation, the default Web Console Administrator account is created. When using all-in-one installation wizard, the default communication ports can't be modified during installation. It might be practical to install components separately when ESMC components are installed on different physical servers. Some of ESMC components like Apache Tomcat or MS SQL are already in use in company environment and there's no need to install them again. You need to change the default ESMC ports because they are already in use in company environment. However, it is possible to change ports in ESMC server settings and agent settings after installation. Installing ESMC server separately is especially useful in case of repair ESMC server installation, ESMC server upgrade or database restore. This table represents supported database versions and their suitability for different environments. In the following part, we will install ESMC server using the all-in-one installation wizard. Start by navigating to network location sources by using Windows Explorer. Copy the folder with ESMC installation files on the desktop. When installing ESMC server, always copy the installation files to the local machine where the installation process takes place. Open the copied folder and start the installation process by running setup file. On the welcome screen, select English language and click Next. In the following screen, keep the option Install selected and press Next button. Then, choose option I accept the terms in the license agreement, which allows you to continue with the installation process. Press the Next button. In the window, select Components to install, keep selection in checkboxes as it is and press the Next button. Select option Open JDK to use application Amazon Corretto. Java or Open JDK solution is required for installation of ESMC Web Console. Initiate installation process by pressing the Install button. Installer will first start with the installation of the Microsoft SQL Server Express. After the Microsoft SQL Server Express is installed, click the Next button to continue with ESMC Server installation. In the following window, Database Server Connection, click Next button. In the following step, create administrator account for ESMC Web Console. We are using password edutraining123. Proceed with Next button. In Certificate Information window, you can optionally edit certificate information. Click the Next button. In the next step, choose the Activate Later option and click Next. Click Install to initiate the ESMC server installation. When the installation is completed, click Finish to continue with installation of other selected components. After successful installation, click on the link to open the ESMC Web Console in your web browser. Add the security exception in your web browser. Log in to ESMC Web Console with username administrator and password edutraining123. ESMC server components are now successfully installed and we are ready to continue by deploying EM agents to the computers in the network.